Dua to remove depression and worries. Allahumma inni a'udhu bika min al-hammi wal-hazani wal-ajzi wal-kasali wal-bukhli wal-jubni wa dala'i dini wa ghalabati rijal. O Allah, I seek refuge in you from grief and sadness, from weakness and from laziness and miserliness and from cowardice, from being overcome by death and from being overpowered by man, other people. Powerful dua for rizq. Subhanallahi walhamdulillahi wa la ilaha illallahu wallahu akbar. Allahumma ghfirli, Allahumma rahamni, Allahumma rzuqni. Glory be to Allah. All praise is due to Allah. There is no God but Allah, and Allah is the greatest. Ya Allah, forgive me. Ya Allah, have mercy on me. Ya Allah, provide for me. Dua for streets. Allahumma la sahla illa ma ja'altaha sahlan wa anta taj'alul hasna idha shi'ta sahla. Wa Allah, there is no ease except in that which you have made easy, and you make the difficulty if you wish easy. Dua for protection from evil eye and jealousy. Bismillahi arqika min kulli shay'in yuzika min sharri kulli nafsin aw ayni hasidin lahu yashfika. Bismillahi arqiq. With the name of Allah I recite over you to cleanse you from all the troubles you and from every harmful mischief and from the evil of the eyes of an envier. Allah will cure you, and with the name of Allah I recite over you. Dua for rizq after Fajr. ربنا آتنا في الدنيا حسنة وفي الآخرة حسنة وقنا عذاب النار. Our Lord, give us in this world that which is good, and in the hereafter that which is good, and protect us from the punishment of the fire. Shortest and most powerful dua. Allahumma inni as'aluka al-afiyah. O Allah, I ask you for afiyah, protection from any pain and sufferings. Rabbi yassir wa la tu'assir wa tammim bil khair. Dua for ace in all matters. O Allah, make this task easy and don't make it difficult. O Allah, make it end well. Morning prayer. Recite 3 times. Bismillahilladzi la yadurru ma'a ismihi shay'un fil ardi wa la fis samai wa huwa as-sami'ul alim. In the name of Allah, for with his name nothing can cause harm in the earth nor in the heavens, and he is the all-hearing, all-knowing. Recite 3 times in Arabic. Dua before entering the toilet. When the person enters the toilet, he should put his left foot first. Allahumma inni a'udhu bika min al-khubuthi wal khaba'is. O Allah, I seek your protection from the male and the female devils. Hasbunallahu wa ni'mal wakil, ni'mal mawla wa ni'mal nasir. Allah is sufficient for us, and he is the best disposer of affairs, and he is the excellent protector and the excellent helper. Allahumma inni zalamtu nafsi zulman kathira wa la yaghfiru dhunuba illa anta faghfir li maghfiratan min indika warhamni innaka antal ghafurur rahim. O Allah, I have considerably wronged myself. There is none to forgive the sin but you. So grant me pardon and have mercy on me. You are the most forgiving, the most compassionate.